Hey team! Thrilled you're here for today's adventure. In this live season, 172 divided by 172, which equals 1, and 172 divided by 172 equals 1. Now we have this problem, 1 divided by 1, which equals 1. But this answer is not correct because according to the order of operations, we must do this division, then this division, and at last this division. So we have first this division, 172 divided by 172 equals 1. So we have 1 divided by 172 divided by 172, and we can write this part as 1 over 172 divided by 172. So we must keep the first fraction 1 over 172 and change division to multiplication times, then flip the second fraction 1 over 172, which equals 1 over 29,584. And this is our final answer for this problem. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, and join the community.